Hey traders, let's have a quick look at USDCHF from a weekly perspective. So from a weekly perspective, we clearly see that we have reached a nice strong area of support over here, and we can expect the market now to make a push to the upside. Now a push to the upside to where? Let me explain to you and let me educate you guys a little bit about the forex market. So on a weekly time frame, what we have clearly here is an M formation, and what we can expect from an M formation, basically when the market will make an M formation like this, we can expect the market to at least come and retest previous support, which will be now turned resistance. Once we have a retest of this area, we can enjoy further continuation to the downside. So as the said, what we can do basically is go down on the daily time frame and look at price action and wait for the right entry. Now before I go down on a daily time frame, I would just like to show you guys that if you take your counter trend line and you take it from this low to over around here, make sure that you're not cutting any bodies of the candle on a weekly time frame, and this is how you draw a counter trend line. So basically what we have as well is, if you look at this previous structure over here, the market has not yet came and retested this area on a weekly basis. So this is what we're looking for. We're looking for the market to at least retest this area on a weekly basis, then further continuation to the downside. Now let's go down on the daily time frame and let's look at what kind of price action we're getting from a daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, it's pretty clear that the market is now making its push to the upside, and what we can expect basically is the market to come up and retest this counter trend line. After we have a nice retest of the counter trend line, we will be able to get a further push to the downside. Further push to the downside to where? If you would like to get your take profit points, make sure that you use your Fibonacci, and it's much easier for you guys to understand where the market is going. Now if you want to use your Fibonacci, you need to take this on the high of this impulse to the low of the impulse, and then you'll be able to get a good area of Fibonacci. Now if you have a look at the Fibonacci as well, the market has not yet made any retracement to the 382 of the Fibonacci, and what we can expect is the market to come and at least test the 382, which is previous support now turn resistance on a structural point of view in the market. So basically what we are looking for is, we're looking for the market to come up, retest this area. Once the market has retested this area on the 4-hour time frame, you'll be looking for a good risk to reward with this trade. Now if the market would tend to get into this area, once the market gets into this area, if the market starts to break through and make higher highs and higher lows, then of course this trade will be invalid. We won't take this trade. So it's always better to be reactive and not predictive. Once we are in this area on the 4-hour time frame with the students and members, we'll be looking in this area for a possible down move to the bottom of my target, 95511. So this is a good pair for you guys to watch before the weekend closes. I'm not sure if we will be able to get it in this week, but you guys can always monitor price action in that area and make sure that you guys look at this trade, keep this on your watch list. So if you guys liked this video and it was educational for you, and you guys enjoyed this analysis, please don't forget to leave me a like and a comment below. We really appreciate your support, and it also gives us more support to make free analysis like this for you guys. So make sure that you hit the like button at the bottom and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you guys feel about this pair and so forth, and we will see you guys in the next analysis. Have a great weekend.